cases of Legionnaires disease have been reported in Cuyahoga County this week, one at a care facility in Parma, the other at a senior living complex in Strongsville. Your health is important, and Brandon Simmons explains how Legionella spreads. Hi, Brandon.
Hi, Sarah. That's right. Legionnaires disease is a serious type of pneumonia and can be deadly. The bacteria multiplies and typically spreads through large water systems. And now the Board of Health is looking into 2 cases here in Cuyahoga County. Monday night, the Cuyahoga County Board of Health reported a patient was diagnosed with Legionella at Altenheim Senior Living in Strongsville. This morning, a second case reported at Broadview Multi-Care Center in Parma. So far, the cases are not linked and no one else is presenting symptoms. But here's what you need to know. Legionella is typically spread through water droplets. The bacteria often grows in large air conditioning units, but can also hang out in showers and hot tubs.
We need water that is the right temperature for Legionella bacteria to grow. 95 degrees is roughly the sweet spot for growth. Showers are always an area that we spend a lot of time concentrating on because it's a very common route of exposure.
The good news is that it can't spread from person to person, and those who are easily affected typically already have weakened immune systems.
Folks that are normally, robust and healthy, they can have the same exposure and they're not going to contract disease. It's very opportunistic, and that's the way diseases work.
Including these last 2 cases, there have been a total of 70 cases this year in Cuyahoga County so far, and there were 92 cases in 2018. So what's being done at these 2 facilities?
Both facilities have been very responsive because they want to ensure that they don't have any further cases in their facilities.
Water samples have also been sent to labs, but it takes 7 to 10 days to get results. In the meantime, both have added temporary filtration systems and have hyperchlorinated their water systems as a precaution. Now, the CDC says the number of cases has increased steadily since the year 2000, and our local Board of Health says that could be attributed to the fact that testing is now more accurate and also done more often, Sarah.
All right, let's hope there are no more cases popping up. Thanks, Brandon.